fire man, but you want come me for pay 100,000 for no damage to landlord. You see, them girl, you know, say a fuck for nothing, you know. We are defend all dirty man. Defend your long seat dead with blood clot man, yes, Janko. Defend him. But I want you know say me pussy tight and my man cocky stiff to blood clot and long no blood clot. So me we use it and box down your blood clot and me always suffocate your life out of you, yeah? You come up here for damage, you're damn bright. She bright, you see guys? I talk about 100,000 for damage in a house. Like me I walk and mash up people place. Me I walk and mash up people place, lady? Eh? Me look like me a bulldozer. When anywhere me go, me mash it up. Now make me you have no you're damn bright. A video when me go at the house and when me there at the house, me a picture everywhere in that house because me have camera. Me usually have up me 2 camera in there. So all me do, I just plug in back my camera and get a video. You're crazy. You're damn bright. Me they not have no manners, guys. They don't have no manners. But you see right now, me want one of them stop with me. Because you see, the junko must feel like me live a door. But right now, me rent free batty boy. So then $40,000 a month they go in on my belly. And me we get fat and put on little breast, little batty and all these things. You don't go like bill for pay. So I don't know what you talk about you now. I not even know about it. My man left me in a not even one space a couple days, not even 1 week. And that's why I must say I go on so. But me make sure cuss every day for me and him out of meat because why I'm going soon. So when me a treat it nice, I'll be a black pepper me put in my food when me a cook and me a kill in nature. Me have to fix him, send him over. Me can't send him over with too much nature. They make sure buy 1 case of soda and drink some soda for him go over so him put on weight and the sperms will go down and him thing not too stiff up. Cause me know him a still look good woman so me no want him nature get too high. So me have to cook black pepper in the food key. Me no cook down in nature cause I go away soon. Not even 1 week, couple days. Yeah. I go look for some cornmeal porridge give my morning. Me not making go left in cornmeal porridge. I look about him nice cornmeal porridge with no egg. So that you know say him very good. You know have too much nature ride him over. Cause you see, I don't really give him a lot when him satisfied. And you see just looking at me, him thing in him pants a shoot out. So me have to know say me have to give him something we cut down that thing will make him a shoot out so time pants. So you know go overseas and shooting. Cause you know what shooting cost your man for cheap fire and me not ready for me man take the money go buy no front yet. Hey, me can't do that, me not can't hold that one day. Me go have a heart attack, me go come and come back. Me don't know I see me a ball it so me I do what me fi do. Me fi give him some, you know what me fi give him guys, me fi give him some BC and Cersei with the tree root with red like blood. Me fi boil some of that give him. And some of that me fi give him though. So me can wear him they make the come. Some of the come go. Cause me can't make him go over some lime juice me fi give him and make him eat up some sour something though. Therefore me have lime, I make some lime juice for him in the morning. And me have to me make him when him there, me make him help me wash the clothes them because the washing machine, the current now push it time me no know what the extension now work, yeah, extension now work. So me make him help me. Make him help me and anyway him lift up all 1 case of juice and water so strong. He have too much he have too much something there in oil in him back. He have too much oil in him back, guys. We have to work on that, guys. Him too strong. That means he have a lot of oil in him back. Cause him strong, you know, guys. Him lift up all 4 burn try work on that now, guys. I can't send them over with too much oil. And then again, why? My for try work on that, but it kinda hard to work on when time him is a type of man like this too, you know. Me go make him eat the lime them. Me not make no juice. Me make him eat them. Peel them and make him eat them. And get some sour orange juice make the juice. No. Don't guys. Guys. Don't guys. Him strong man. Him strong man. You man not know me. This is the only time me get him to touch me because he want him phone. Let me be, man. I almost leaving me. Don't talk to me, but don't take the phone. Murder. Look how me come and center mass with me pretty man. And me know the girl them over your front dry and toasty and well one wet up man. They can't thief him kind soon gone, me love. You not stay here 1 week, you soon gone, you not get him. Me love us when you go and come back, and now make you come and center mass. You will be meeting me somewhere, and now make them take you away. No, sir. Give the man him phone. Me give me him phone long time. You chat too much, man. And don't call me man, so. My man have a name. Guys, me draw me eyebrow there neater, though. Yeah? You will chat too much. You not have the glue and the blood clot grip when me have to take my man. Go sit down now, you're shelfie. Your man put you on shelf. Hello, Louise. Murder. Moise, my move out that junk of the house, yes? That's too dark, try brown pencil. Oh, you do it, oh, you want it. Sometimes you want it dark, sometimes you want brown. You know what I say? You found rental already, mama? Babes, I me want a house, me now. Right, you know, me not pay a rent, me love. Right, you know, me pack up in a me want a house, yeah. I don't know, one floor, yeah. I me want a house, me now. Right, you know, me stop pay rent for a little while. Me landlord. Me I go look, me I go look, me. Right, you know, me I look a land for capital like, and in my 40,000, them amount I go buy steel and black and pay for people land. You're crazy. Them landlord and no manner. Them landlord and no manner. Them landlord and no manner. Still in a watch your rotted. In a watch it, baby. Me dey far from watch it. Why? The girl them all kind of sad. Watch me cute man. I'm go left me, guys. He know me miss marry, yes, so me kind of angry and him can't deal with it. Me just always look away for yell at him and him find out where that my kind of way because him soon gone. Yeah, you see as him me find him reach over a problem because me go start ball and find you see? You can't leave me alone, say me can't manage stress. You leave me in a stress and got me I find all kind of problems when him got. Me not tell him them what me I go do. Me a idiot, me a chat what me I go do, guys. Me rotted. Me a chat to me a go do. No sir, shake me head. What you mean no sir, shake me head? Miss Keisha, I vex with me now through me no other. Read comment. Add me miss. Right now, me na me own a house cock up. And when time me in a the damn rent house and have problem, nobody now say add me. Give me a time for talk and free me. I don't care if you vex me too. We a big woman. So understand me what me I say. So, you know, say when me in a rent house and them put me out to rascal and me there in a hotel I try to find me way I beg her money for make up for pay and for stay in a hotel and live on roads. than on the roadside.